Hi guys, we're out here in my wood processing area. I wanted to show you my Stihl MS 290 chainsaw that I'm selling. Got another brand new one here that I just bought. But I wanted to show you how it works. I don't know about you, but when I buy a piece of equipment with an engine, I like to hear it work. So my wife has agreed to help me put together a video so you guys can see how she runs. I'm starting this morning, hasn't been started yet, so it's starting cold. So we'll give it a little choke, pull the cord a couple times, and see what happens. Okay, doing good. It's pretty smooth. Warm up here. There she is. She's got a pretty smooth idle after I did some idle adjustments yesterday. I could have probably sharpened up my chain a little, it would have cut through that better, but she did a good job, didn't bog out, and I wanted you to see that. So, thank you.